Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What is brain detox? When it comes to detoxification, your brain is pretty good at taking care of business on its own. Research published in 2015 explains this happens as part of the function of the lymphatic system, which removes waste products from your brain and nervous system. Think of it as the brain's trash collector. How to detox for better brain health? So, what can you do to start detoxing your brain from the effects of contaminants, toxins, and inflammation? Here are some suggestions. Start with an elimination diet. A comprehensive elimination diet can provide information on your personal food sensitivities and intolerances. Consuming foods you may be sensitive to can increase inflammation and make it difficult to detoxify as well as to lose weight. Second, eat a diverse array of fruits and vegetables. Colors represent different vitamins and nutrients. So include ginger, turmeric, garlic, beets, broccoli, seed sprouts, and herbs such as thyme and rosemary in your diet each day. Consume dark leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables regularly. Other important food groups include nuts, seeds, legumes, and fatty fruits such as avocados and bananas. Third, include complex forms of carbohydrates. While it's best to stay away from simple and processed carbs, complex carbohydrates are an important energy source for the brain, as the glucose molecule broken down from whole grain and starch sources by the intricate mechanisms with our body's catabolic pathways is a preferred energy source of the brain and its cells. And the next, incorporate interval eating patterns into your meal plans. Allowing the body to take a break from digestive duties will help divert energy from the gastrointestinal tract to the organs recruited for detoxification pathways. This can take the form of a simple intermittent fasting plan. Try to minimize exposure to toxins and contaminants as much as possible. Eat organic when you can to minimize exposure to pesticides, herbicides, and farm chemical residues. Use eco friendly cosmetics, personal care products, and cleaning agents. And the next one, daily movement and exercise. Run, walk, hike, go to a yoga class, dance, and bike. However, you can manage. Sweat each and every day, and it will support your detox pathways and your brain. Following, deep breathing exercises with episodic rapid breathing. Did you know that breathing exhales waste byproducts? It's true. Rapid breathing also results in alkaline urine, which can help you better excrete other toxin metabolites as well. Maintain good hydration. Fill up that reusable water bottle at least a few times a day. Proper fluid balance keeps blood and lymph moving through the kidneys and leads to better elimination of toxins through urination. Aim for 20 minutes in nature each day. Research is clear that immersion in nature improves mental clarity, decreases stress and anxiety, and has beneficial physiological effects such as lowered heart rate and respiratory rate and decreased blood pressure. These improved physiological parameters can only help the body during detoxification. So, go for a hike, walk through the park, or sit in your backyard for a few minutes each day. And very important, sleep at least 7 to 8 hours each night. During restorative sleep, the brain is able to repair cellular damage from toxins and other exposures. Make sure you're giving your brain a chance to slow down and repair itself every night by getting enough sleep. And at last, have an infrared sauna session week. Infrared sauna create heat from within, much like a fever, so it aids in hastening detoxification via the sweat glands. As an added bonus, they are also incredibly relaxing. If you detox the brain, you detox the body, and vice versa. In clearing your brain and improving brain function, do not be surprised if your body feels stronger, more energetic, and more efficient. It might feel like a lot to do, but I can tell you that I personally do all of the above for a healthier brain. I practice what I preach and admit that some days are harder than other. Consistency is key and will get the job done, even if not every day is perfect. Above all, be kind to yourself and take each day as it comes on your path to a healthier brain. Thanks for watching.